Now our topic is solution PDE by direct integrations, right? એમાં આપણે ફર્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈએ. એક્ઝામ્પલ 1 del square z upon del x del y બરાબર x cube plus y cube, right? Solve this example. Example તમને કેવી રીતે હશે? Solve this, right? So first of all, what we do? First of all, we do integrations with respect to x. આપણે અલગ રીતે લખીએ del z upon del y, right? Here same x cube plus y cube, right? Okay, so what we get? Integrating with respect to x and keeping y as a constant, right? Keeping y constant. Y is equal to constant, right? So we get integration કરશો આપણે તો શું રહેશે અહીંયા del z upon del y, right? x નીકળી જશે, અહીંયા શું આવશે x raised to 4/4 plus x y cube. Also we have phi of y because y is a constant. Okay, again we do integrations with respect to y, so we get z solutions, right? With respect to y, integration with respect to y કરશો તમે તો અહીંયા શું આવશે z, અહીંયા આવશે x raised to 4/4 constant into 1 નું y, right? x constant y raised to 4/4 આને શું આપણે integration ની સાઈન આપશું, right? Into dy. Also so also here g of x because x is the constant term, right? So what is our final answer? So our final answer is we get z बराबर x raised to 4/4 y, sorry 4/4 into y, right? Also x y raised to 4/4. So we can write like this here f of y plus g of x. Here f of y બરાબર શું લખશું આપણે અહીંયા integration phi y into dy. આ શું કામ આપણે g of x because of આપણે અહીંયા x constant છે, right? Okay, this is your final answer, right? Now next example 2 જોઈએ. Example 2 del square z upon del x square बराबर sin x, right? Del square z upon del x square बराबर sin x. So what we do first? We do integration with respect to x. Integration with respect to x and keeping y as a constant. So we get del z upon del x. First time integration કરશો ત્યારે sin x શું થશે minus cos x. sin x નું integration શું આવે minus cos x plus અહીંયા શું આવશે f of y because of y is a constant, right? Again we do integration, so we get said again integrations, right, with respect to x. So we get z, here also cos no sin, right? So sin x plus here 1 no x, so x f of y plus constant y the g of y. So this is your final answer, right? G of y 1 no so the x because of x respect to and then constant 8 kariye ape y, so g of y, right? So this is your final answer because of z have x and y both function, that's why, right? Now let's see the next example. Example 3 જોઈએ. uxx minus u equal to 0. uxx minus u equal to 0. That means the condition is del square u upon del x square, right? Minus u equal to 0 conditions. Okay, so we can write as a d square minus 1 equal to 0 because d square upon dx square. આપણે શું લખી શકીએ d square, right? d square u minus u. d d square u minus u equal to 0. So we common u, right? So as an auxiliary equation, d square minus 1 equal to 0 as an auxiliary equation, right? Based on ordinary differential equation, right? Based on ODE, right? Ordinary differential equations. So we get d square बराबर 1. So d बराबर plus or minus 1, right? So our answer is z बराबर શું આવશે? c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to minus x based on this, right? Here y is a constant, so our answer is f of y e raised to x plus you can c2 बराबर g of y e raised to minus x. So this is our final answer. We had c1 and c2 बराबर f of y and g of y as a constant term, right?